about number stories. No, I haven't got a book that I'm going to read to you. It's not that kind of story. This one, we're going to be using different objects and I'm going to be making up stories and we're going to write them as number sentences. How fun is that? So you're going to need a pen. I've got a whiteboard pen and a whiteboard, but if you haven't got a whiteboard, you can just use paper at home. It's perfect. So I hope you're ready and we will start. So one day I went to the sweet shop. I did. And do you know how many sweeties I bought? I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 refreshers. Can you see? I got 5 refreshers. But I came back home with my 5 refreshers and my children said 5 refreshers were not enough and I was to go and get some chocolate. Aren't they cheeky? So I went back and I got some chocolate. I got chocolate coins. Do you want to have a look at them? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chocolate coins. Oh, they are going to have to brush their teeth well tonight. So I had 5 refreshers to start with, and then I bought 5 chocolate coins. So how many do I have all together? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to write a number sentence to help us work out the answer. So this is when you need your pen and your whiteboard. I'll show you, and then you can do it yourself. So here we go, 5. Now we know how to do a 5. A hat, a back, and a belly. Watch out, it might come alive. 5, add, we know our add sign. Another 5, hat, back, and belly. Watch out, might come alive, number 5. And then equals. Let me show you. 5, add 5 equals. See if you can write this number sentence on your whiteboard or your paper. Okay, pause me if you need time to do that. Now, we're going to add up how many there are all together. You help me count. Okay, get ready to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There are 10 sweet things to eat. Oh, my cheeky children are going to have 10 sweet things. Can you write down 10 at the end of your number sentence? 5, add 5 equals 10. Did you get the same as me? Well done. Give yourself a tick. I know you love to tick your work. Do a tick. Like this. Then you're like a teacher. Can you put a tick on? Well done. Oh, that's a number bond to 10. 5 add 5 equals 10. We can do it with our fingers. 5 add 5 equals 10. Well done. Now, can you rub it out? Or if you're on a piece of paper, just find a clean spot on there. Should we do another story? Now, I haven't got any more at the sweet shop. Sorry, I'll put the sweets to the side. Now, we've got one with pens. It's like we're in the classroom with all our felt tips. Right, let's see how many pens I've got. So, I tiptoed into Mrs. Webster's classroom and I borrowed some pens. How many did I get? 1, 2, 3. It's hard to hold them. 4. Shh, don't tell her. 5, 6, 7. Oh, I took a lot. 8, 9. I borrowed 9 pens. But I realised there was a green colour that I wanted too, so I went back and I got one more. 9 add 1. That's how many I took. 9 add 1. Should we write it on our boards? Okay, let's try. And then we'll find out the total. Ready? 9. Draw the oval, add the line. Keep your pen on the page for that. Don't lift your pen off. Add 1 equals. Remember, the equals is the 2 lines that are straight. And they go along like this. 9 add 1 equals. How many pens did I borrow? Should we count? Don't tell her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I took 10 of her pens. Oh, I must put them back later. Should we write 10 as our answer? Okay, 1 first, okay, 1, then the 0. Pop that after the equals sign because that's how many there were all together. Shall we read it? 9 add 1 equals 10. Well done. Give yourself a tick, just like me. Tick. Now don't forget, you can pause the video at any point if I'm going too fast. Just pause me. Say, wait, Mrs Bale, wait for me. No problem. Great, rub it out and we'll try the next story. So we've been to the sweet shop, got the sweets. We've been to Mrs Webster's classroom and we've got her pens. And now you should see what we've got next. We've got coloured jewels. I rubbed them. How many did I take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 coloured jewels, aren't they beautiful? All different colours, look at them. Gorgeous, 8. But I didn't think 8 was enough. I needed more than 8. Do you know how many I got next? 1, 2, 8, first of all, and then 2 more. Should we write it as a number sentence? Okay, get your pen then. Pop the lid off again. Woo! And we're going to write 8. Okay, so you draw your, close the gate like this. No cheeky ones where you do 2 circles connected. Add, do your add sign. Okay, and then 2. I got 2 when I went back to get some more jewels. Okay, that's half a heart says I love you. Add a line makes number 2. Then do your equals. Okay, 8 add 2 equals. Okay, now we're going to count up how many jewels there were all together. Hope you're good at counting. Help me, please. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the other 2. 9, 10. There were 10 all together. Go on then, pop it down as your answer. 1, then the 0. Let's see if it snaps with mine. Have you got a snap? Does it look the same? Well done, all of you. Give yourself a big tick then. Tick. Like this. Tick. Okay, great. You are doing well today, aren't you? Right, no more jewels. Move the jewels to the side. Now we're going to do building blocks, towers. We like making towers, don't we? We like to knock them down probably more than making them, I think. Let's build our tower then. Okay. Ready? Hope you can see. I might have to do this. Oh, crikey, this could be dangerous. 1, 2, I'll have to be really good at balancing this. 3, no wobbling. 4, oh, 5 and 6. My tower is 6 blocks tall. Can you see it? Let's double check I haven't made any mistakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great, I've done that. Now I'm going to make it taller, just as a bit of a challenge. Okay, how many more am I going to add on? Put 6 in your head, try and remember that. 6. Okay, now we're going to add on some more. 1, 2, 3. I can see you trying to blow it down. 4. Okay, we've done it. 6, add 4. That is a really tall tower, isn't it? Okay, oh, I think it's wobbling. Let's take them down before it crashes and we'll see if we can write the number sentence. Ready? Oh, that was a very careful crash. Great. Won't bash me on the head. Okay, so it was 6, add 4. So get your pen and see if you can write the number sentence. 6, bend down low and pick up sticks. Add 4, down, across and down once more, equals. Okay, see if you can write it the same as me. 6, add 4. Well done. Now, how tall was it all together? Oh, let's make it again and double check. Okay, am I balancing it on here again? Okay, I've got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's going to have to go down. I cannot do this. 8, 9, and you've got it. 10 blocks high. That is a tall tower. I wonder if you can do that at home with your blocks. See, I bet you can go higher than 10. You could do your own number sentence at home with yours. So we got 10, didn't we? Another number bond. 6 add 4 equals 10. Go on then, write 10 down for me. Go on, flash me. Let's see what you've got. You got 10. Snap. Well done. Give yourself a tick. Should we do one more? Okay, one more. Right, rub it out then. Rub, 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 rub. Okay, final one. This one is only using little blocks, so that is great. Hopefully there won't be so much of a crash, and I probably can do it on my whiteboard. Okay, so we're going to make a little tower now. Or maybe a little brother or sister could make this little tower. Should we see how tall they make their little tower? Right, one. Let me put this here so you can see. One. Oh, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blocks high. How many more blocks will they add on to make it even taller? Should we find out? 7 add 1, 2, 3. 7 add 3. Let's write it down and then we'll find out how many there are all together. Go on then, do your 7 across the sky and down from heaven. Add, and then do your 3 around the tree equals. Okay, 7 add 3. Should we count them and check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another number bond. 7 add 3 equals 10. You are amazing at writing 10s because we've done loads of number bonds of 10 today. So do your 1 first and then add your 0. And if it looks the same as that one, 7 add 3 equals 10, give yourself a really big tick. And give yourself such a big pat on the back for being so good. You were able to listen to the number stories and write number sentences all on your own. You are amazing. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget, try and do some at home. Yeah, get your building blocks out, build towers, get your pens out, make up your own at home. Don't forget, if going to 10 is too easy, can you do it to 20? Can you do any? Going up to 100? I bet you can't do 100, that's way too tricky. But have fun, push yourself, make sure you are always learning and always extending yourself. Have fun. Bye-bye.